guys, it's Ginger back with another video. So this video is just going to be a quick show. I'm just showing you guys a few centerpieces that we have been tasked to make for the office. So of course, you know, we have been out on COVID for about a year. So we're slowly transitioning back into our offices, and we decided to use some centerpieces for welcome back fall type centerpieces. So I just wanted to show you guys what we came up with. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. And I do want to mention that all these items came from the Dollar Tree. And if you have any questions regarding this, leave me a comment and I'll talk to you next time. Bye.